Hello everyone, today we are going to look at a magical force called gravity. This is the force that acts on our body and pulls us towards the center of the earth. So what is gravity? When you throw a pen or a piece of ball, it gets attracted towards the center of the earth. This force is called as gravity, and the gravitational force of the earth is 9.81 meter per second squared. So let us see an example of this attractional force of gravity and what it can do in between planets. Suppose we take the moon is in this position, the earth is at some distance away from the moon. The earth exerts the correct amount of gravitational force, which is just enough for the moon to be orbiting in elliptical shapes around the earth. So a question may arise in your mind that why does the moon does not crash in the earth? It does not crash in the earth because the gravitational attraction is maintained for the collision not to happen. What is escape velocity? Suppose you want to escape the field of gravity, 9.81 meter per second squared, and you want to send something very deep in space, for example a rocket. Your velocity should be about 11.1 kilometers squared per second, which must be greater than the gravitational field of Earth. Then you can escape from Earth's gravitational force. What are the factors affecting gravity? The factors affecting gravity are mass, distance. The gravitational force decreases as the distance increases. So we can say that there is a inversely proportional relationship exists there. But the force is directly proportional to the mass. So when the force increases, it means that the mass is also getting increased. Otherwise, it's not possible the other way around. What is the universal law of gravitation? Universal law of gravitation, for example, we say that the F is directly proportional to product of the masses, and it is inversely proportional to the distance between them. So F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by d squared. This is the gravitational force derivation for application of moon and the earth. What are the inferences of the universal law of gravitation? The inferences that can be obtained from this study is that the results that are derived from this result test is that the revolving planets around the sun the moon's rotation about the earth and all other planets revolving around this sun. So these all inferences can be studied from the universal law of gravitation. So these are the inferences. Now we are going to see another magical force which is called buoyancy. Suppose you take a container and fill it up with water, and you have a small opening at a distance h from above the ground. Now these have small water particles. They all exert a force on the sides of the container, which in turn the bubbles collide with each other and the pressure increases. This is true for gases and liquid, so we will call it as fluid. In solids, if you place a weight of 10 kilos, you will feel the force acting downwards of 10 kilo. So this is a differentiation between liquids and gases and solids. So if we take the gravitational force which is less than the buoyant force, the body will float. If it is the other way around, whereas the gravitational field is very high compared to the buoyant force, then it will sink. Thank you.